Hello my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to Mercy Video of Styles channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my front entrance. And guys, this company sent over to me this solar light. I really love them. I do several video collab with them and I really love their product. So if you're someone that on the market from solar light for your driveway, for your walkway, entryway, so this one can be a good option. As you can see, my son is doing the unboxing, and guys, I really like them. They're so modern and they're not expensive and they will build for the price that you pay. This light, they are solar light pathway adjustable warm cool light, 50 lumens bright garden light. Guys, you can use it anywhere that you want for your outdoor needs. Guys, they are waterproof for landscape, outside light for your yard, lawn, walkway, driveway, patio. So I don't know how much I'm going to repeat myself, but guys, I really love them. They are super easy to put together. As you can see, my son is doing the unboxing, guys, and the quality of the material is super nice, good quality for the money that you're paying. So guys, I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. You cannot go wrong with it, so once you buy it. And guys, you know it's springtime, summer, so you're going to need you're gonna be going outside more often compared to the winter season, and this guy can be very useful to you. Not only guys, they have solar light for your driveway, they have string light too as well. That's going to help you enhance your backyard. As you can see guys, my backyard, I'm starting working on my backyard guys. Very nice. So if you want to elevate your home, so it's a one-stop shop for your light guys. I really love everything about this company. Guys, you need to come back to see how I transform the backyard. But in today's video, I'm going to work only on the front entrance. As I mentioned, the lights are super easy to put together. So anybody can put it together. And they are tailored for perfect atmosphere outdoor. And guys, they have dual light. Warm light and white light. And the adjustable brightness. And guys, the possibility for you to with your light is endless. So as I mentioned, the link will be in the description box down below. Make sure to buy to my link like that to support the channel for more video like this. And then once you receive yours, you have to make sure you remove this sticker. That's the one that protect the battery. So once you order yours, you receive yours, you have to make sure you remove this, as my son is showing you right now. So I really love this product guys. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do product review like I'm doing today. I do clean with me, DIY home decor. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. I really love pillows guys. So for outdoor, I always spray them to protect them, to prevent mold or anything. So this one repel water. So before I just put it outside, make sure I spray it and I'm good to go. And it's not gonna, the stain not going to stay, the water not going to stay. And this little table, I get it from Amazon. Guys, inside my home is a no-shoe policy. So to make people feel welcome, I have shoe cover. Some people don't like to remove the shoes, that's fine. But I don't like people coming to my home with shoes on. So I have shoe cover. So if some people have sandal, they don't have to work barefoot. They can wear socks. I buy them for them, and it was a lot of. It was very inexpensive. I think I have 50 pair for $14, something like that. I make it very welcoming for everybody because the reason I'm doing like that, I have a special needs son. So my son, if he eats something drop on the floor, he's gonna eat it. So I don't know where your feet come from. I don't know where your shoe come from. So for me, I don't like shoe inside my home. So I like to protect my babies. So guys, if somebody doesn't like it, they just don't come. That's something simple as good morning. So I always have this in front of my home. It's not the prettiest, but because that's what worked for me. I cannot put it inside because my entrance from the inside is very narrow. I cannot put nothing. That's why I leave it like that. This flower, I got it from Burlington last year. And guys, I love it. And it looked pretty in front of my front entrance. So I like it. I'm going to put another one when I'm like late spring. But as of for now, that's the one I'm using. And I like it up there the way it is and super nice, go perfectly with the front of the house. So yes, that's what I have so far, and I really love everything is. And my little table, I had the other thing. It was like a container that I can put stuff inside, but I have people that come to work with my son, and when they it's difficult for them to keep lifting the bag. So I think this table is easier. If somebody want to sit there, you can sit. And yeah, it's very nice. And guys, for some reason my grass is not grassing. I need to put sprinkler, but the we didn't have rain for so long. The grass is not grassing, but it's gonna stay like that. But I love the night. As you can see, at nighttime it's pure beauty. And I lay them only one side of the driveway walkway, if I may say. It's because the other side I have the one powered by the other light, it use power. So this one is solar, the other one use power. So I just keep it this way. But for some people, they may put it in both side, but that's my style. That's what I like. I just put it this way because I have several lights. I have 14 lights in total in the front entrance. And the other side of the house, like I mentioned, those lights are powered, and they use power. So I don't use them often to prevent me having light bill, but I love them there. So most of the time they off, I don't turn them on. I leave only the solar light. But other than that, when there's Christmas and fall, when I'm very close to holiday, I let them. But other than that, it's solar light only. Yes, I really love the way my front entrance is. I'm going to paint the driveway sometime this month, but as of for now, it's gonna stay this way until when I'm ready. So guys, this is the way everything is. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's the end of it. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.